Hey, what if you could click your mouse once and have a fully functional ClickBank affiliate site with your links? And what if this site ranked itself to page #1 on Google overnight for a flood of free traffic? That interest you? Could you finally start making commissions? If you answered yes, then you're going to love what I have for you today. In fact, I'd like to show you some proof. Take a close look at the screenshot you're seeing on this video. Yep, that's a whopping $7,061 in profits, and it's all thanks to generating ClickBank commissions in a lazy and effortless way. Now, in case you weren't aware, ClickBank is huge. It's single-handedly responsible for turning average Joes into millionaires. But unfortunately, there's so many different obstacles. Funnels, traffic, conversions, tracking, writing emails, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. So sadly, most beginners never make any money with ClickBank because there are so many things to juggle around and master. We knew that there was a better way. That's why we developed Banklify. Banklify is the world's first one-click, done-for-you ClickBank solution. It allows you to activate 100% done-for-you automated sites filled with unique content at the press of a button. Here, let me show you how it works. Step number 1, choose a site template. You'll have many different templates to choose from. Everything's hosted by us, and you won't need a domain name. You can add your own if you'd like. Step number 2, add any keyword to fetch unique content. There's no work involved. Our software will automatically fill your site with content. Step number 3, input your ClickBank ID. This lets you get paid ClickBank commissions. If you don't have a ClickBank account, it's 100% free to sign up. And step number 4, press save to auto-rank your site to #1 on Google. Banklify will start optimizing your site, so Google is desperate to put it on the first page of search results. And that's it. No messing around with tedious technical things like emails, funnels, autoresponders, chatbots, and many other headaches. All you have to do is activate your Banklify affiliate site. After that, it's all good to go. Now, the thing you'll love about these sites is the fact that they run on 100% autopilot, which means we get to receive ClickBank commissions while we sleep, while we eat, while we travel. Because these affiliate sites are just like a Tesla. They can run on autopilot. There are no headaches involved with these DFY ClickBank affiliate sites. Just set it up once and forget about it. You're getting everything you need here. Don't have traffic? We've got you covered. Don't have a domain name? We've got you covered. Don't know SEO? We've got you covered. Don't have a website? We've got you covered. Don't have any experience? We've got you covered. You cannot fail with Banklify. Now, let me show you some of the features of Banklify. You can get unique content for your affiliate site within seconds. This will make sure that you aren't punished by Google. And as I said earlier, these sites automatically rank themselves to page 1 on Google. How? We simply send the proper signals to Google. It's just like trying to crack a combination lock. Miss one and you'll be locked out forever. But after months of research, we've cracked the code for overnight page #1 rankings on Google for any site. And you don't need to know anything about SEO, because that's taken care of for you behind the scenes. Just auto-rank your site at the press of a button. Now you might be wondering, how much will this cost me? Well, with the amount of value at stake here, we could easily charge $97 a month for this service, or over $1,000 yearly. That's because this would quickly pay for itself, even at a large price. But for the early bird users of Banklify, we're going to do something you will love. You won't pay $97 monthly, not $47 monthly, not $27 monthly. Heck, you won't even pay monthly. Just a one-time price, the same as a cheap t-shirt. To claim your discount, click on any of the buttons on this page to get your copy of Banklify. But don't delay. This discount is strictly only for the early adopters of Banklify. So you'll want to get started right away. And there's no risk, as you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee.